Welcome sa YouTube channel ko. This is Jerry
Dito, walk
Mendoza.
tayo dito. Walk.
We're walking on the
Trato lang.
Arrowhead village town. So I walk you through on this village. I will show you all this around the village, and then we're gonna head it to the boat. We're gonna have a boat ride around the Lake Arrowhead. So watch out. Please stay with me on this vlog so you can see what's going on. For the meantime, just enjoy the walking tour that I'm making now, and please watch all this video. And this is very nice little town in Lake Arrowhead, California. So this is where a lot of well-known people, celebrity has a house by the lake. So later on, I will introduce you to the boat captain. That we're gonna have a boat ride there. So stay with me, and we will have some walking tour on this village town in Arrowhead.
Merong koi-koi. A big man here. Big girl.
I'll see you on the next video. We're gonna ride the boat and go around the lake Tahoe. So you'll see all these beautiful houses while we're cruising on the boat. So stay with me and we will show you all the things, beautiful place in here. It's very nice to walk in here. Believe me. I wish I could buy a house in here. This is a very good place to unwind. We just stay here for a day, and we gotta go home this afternoon. So we'll just walk around and enjoy our visit in here. It take us like an hour and 45 minutes from Anaheim to come here. So this is a good place when you're living in California. You know, when you're living in Orange County, you have like 30 minutes from the ocean, Pacific Ocean, like Huntington Beach, Newport Beach, Laguna Beach, and you have like an hour and a half coming here on the mountain, which is very nice. During summer, it's beautiful lake, and during winter, we get a lot of snow in here, and they're doing some like a boat parade on this side of the town. So they have a lot of activities here. So what's out, and we'll show you how all the are surrounding in here. So stay with me, and we'll show you everything here. Thank you very much for watching.